Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a Kubota SVL97-2 here at Star Tractor that we're selling. It comes with a bucket, either a tooth bucket or a smooth edge, which is on it right now, enclosed cab, brand new tracks that we just put on them, as you can see there in the picture and the video. Gorgeous machine. You hear it running. If you're interested in something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Let me get a video of the hour meter too, and the cab. As you can see right there, 1959.7. Give us a call at 817-733-3799.